Okay, we're here at gotomath.com. Take a sip of coffee and try to wake up. Alright. Whew. Tired. Radical equations. We are solving radical equations. Yep, that's what we're doing. And this is going to be 3.2. Okay, so we have the square root of 4x minus 12, and that's going to be equal to the square root of 3x plus 2. So what you need to do is get your notebook out, get a pen, pencil, or a stick if you're on the beach. That's how, when I started learning math, was a stick and some sand. And you seriously need to write this stuff down, okay? So go ahead, write it down, pause the video, try to work it out, and if you can't get it worked out, then you restart the video and I'll give you an idea. So what you want to do here is square both sides, and when you do that, that radical will disappear. So we're going to just go ahead and rewrite the problem. We want to square both sides. I bet you thought I was going to leave that off. Okay, so when we square the radical, right, that radical goes away, and you should know why at this point in your math career. And now we've got a linear equation, so this is pretty easy now to deal with. We're going to take that 3x over to the left of the equal sign, so that becomes minus 3x. Take the 2 over, minus 2, set all that equal to 0. Now let's collect up some like terms. We got 4x minus 3x, that's just x. Then we got minus 12 minus 2, that's going to be minus 14. I guess we could have, I don't know, we could have done that differently now that I think about it. So we add 14 to both sides, and we end up with x is equal to 14. Now, of course, we've got to check this, okay, because that's just a possible solution. That's a possible solution. So let's check it. So we got the square root of 4 times 14. We're just going to go ahead and plug our possible solution in. Minus 12, what do we get? And of course we're going to write an equal sign here, but we're going to put a question mark. It's in question, okay? And then we'll do the right hand side, and that was going to be 3 times 14, and that's plus 2. Okay, so I'm not saying it's equal, it's just a question. Is it equal? So we got 4 times 14 minus 12. And what is that going to be? 4 times 14. 44. Ooh, I had a big sneeze there. Anyway, it turns out that this is 44 here. And but I'd sneeze again. 3 times 14 plus 2 is, let's see, 1, 2, 42, 42, 44. Yeah, that's 44 also. So there you go. So we got the solution set contains 14. Solution set contains 14. Alright. Okay. That is all working out, isn't it? So we're over here at gotomath.com, learning a little bit of algebra. We're talking about radical equations, and I'll see you in the next problem.